Welcome to Activity 97. Hopefully you're sitting at home in your pajamas, but right now I would like for you to take out your anticipation guide for the origins of species. That's again the student sheet for Activity 97. And let's fill out the before column. There is no variation within a species, only between species. You put a plus if you agree and a minus if you disagree. All genetic variation is due to mutations. Harmful mutations often get passed on to the next generation. A mutation can never be helpful to a species. Natural selection means the organism that is best adapted to its environment is more likely to survive. And again, I have a note off to the side. It says, think about our class examples. 6. Two organisms are considered to be different species if they cannot successfully reproduce with each other. You can find the answer there on F39, but again, you are just doing the before column right now, so you're just making predictions. Number 7, I did an example for you. Maybe you do think it's true that Darwin observed beagles to develop his theory of evolution, and I went ahead and found that one for you just as an example, because when you go back to do the after column, you will prove whether these statements are true or false. Number 7 happens to be false, and then I explain Darwin studied finches. I found this on page F41, and I would expect you to do the same. I would expect you to have an explanation and then where you found it. And then number 8, scientists today depend mainly on observations of physical features of organisms to determine if species are related. And again, make your prediction in the before column. Now you'll go back through and you will read the textbook in Activity 97. After you read the textbook, you will come back and you will do the after column with a brief explanation below each one and where you found it. The reason I'm having you do this is because you're going to take a quiz. The quiz is called E97. E is in evolution 97. Where you are going to be asked to explain each one of these, and then I will grade your short answer responses, and that will be the grade for your DLD. Don't forget to be sure and submit the quiz, because it will count not only as a grade, but for attendance. Good luck.